Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix CarPlay not working in your Honda Accord. First, make sure your iPhone is unlocked and updated to the newest iOS. Next, carefully inspect your USB cable for any signs of damage or wear. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Finally, double-check your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is properly enabled. These initial steps often resolve many common connection issues, getting you back on track quickly. If the basic checks didn't work, let's try some deeper troubleshooting. A simple restart of both your iPhone and your Honda Accord's infotainment system can often clear up glitches. Then, go into your iPhone's CarPlay settings, forget the car, and attempt to reconnect it as if for the first time. Also, consider using a brand new Apple-certified USB cable, as even visually perfect cables can sometimes be internally faulty. Now, let's focus on your Honda Accord system. First, ensure your car's infotainment software is fully updated. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems. Carefully inspect the USB port in your vehicle for any lint, dust, or physical damage that might obstruct the connection. If all else fails, performing a factory reset of your Accord's infotainment system can sometimes resolve persistent software conflicts, but remember this will erase custom settings. If you've tried all these steps and CarPlay is still not working, it might be time to seek professional assistance. Contact your local Honda dealership to schedule a service appointment. A certified technician has specialized diagnostic tools to identify underlying hardware or more complex software malfunctions within your vehicle's system. Remember, any necessary repairs might be covered under your car's warranty, so it's worth checking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.